Hi Sakshi, thank you for joining us today. Yeah,
Hello.
tell me how have your quarantine days been and what have you been doing lately?
Hi. Quarantine has been great actually. I have tried to get myself to do a lot of things, and I'm kind of a person who started with being a lot lazy as compared to what like lot of tasks that I'm doing now. So it has been pretty great, and and I've had my bad days too. But yeah, we just get over them, and then just have involved myself into a lot of like, especially the internship with Pinaclo, then my work and my college work, be it learning new things. I've been trying to learn a lot of songs on ukulele, and that's one instrument I learned during this time. And then reading and cooking. I just love cooking, so yeah, it's been great learning new
Okay,
things.
so yeah, so sounds like it has been a very happening quarantine for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll come to like your internship. It's been like more than 3 to 4 weeks of you working with us now. So how would you describe the experience? Like what has it been like so far for you?
It has been great, and I just love working with my team. And initially, like we were like given tasks, and we were not part of like proper teams or so. And initially, I was working for it, and I was looking for an opportunity to work as a team, which I got now, like at least in the last 3 weeks, and it was so much fun. I believe like my team is just crazy, and then they're fun too. And then when they share ideas, when they work on it, and they have their days when they're not, they're lazy around to do the work, but some days they actually put up nice content. So then it's nice. So I have prior experience in working in a team, and just leading this team here also just makes it even more great.
All right. So yeah, because you're a manager with us and you have been leading a team. So what has that been like? Like you just mentioned that there are like greatly productive days and then there are lazy days. So I'd love to know especially about the lazy days of the members. Like how do you deal with them in those days and what's the overall experience like of being a manager?
Yeah, so for me, like somewhere like when you're working on, an area like social media marketing and, putting up content for the social media handles, you really need to understand what people are actually thinking, and you really have to ideate a lot. So for that, they really should be interested in doing the work. So for the days when they were not, I think we just generally had a normal chat and, talked around. If they didn't actually put up any ideas, then I actually did talk to them. Maybe a lot of days they were busy with something, and a lot of the days they didn't actually were not pretty satisfied with the idea that we were working on. So we did work on a couple of different ideas to make them involved in the work. So yeah, we just dealt with it like pretty well. So yeah.
Okay, yeah, sounds great. So for you as a manager, like speaking about you as an individual, as a person, what have the learnings been for you? Like out of the part of managing a team or out of just the whole work experience so far, what have the key learnings been for you as an individual?
I feel I've learned a lot of time management, and I feel when you're managing a team, you expect a lot of work to be done by them, and then you need to take out time to just look at the work that they've done, and then suggest changes and stuff. So a lot of time management here and there, like helping them at my part and actually letting them know where they're going wrong too. And so a lot of time management, be it like especially during quarantine when you like you want as much family time as you can get, and plus you have an internship too. So then managing that has been great. And second thing is definitely like leading the team, understanding like how a team function. Not everybody is going to work with equal amount of like I don't know how to like put it together, but mostly it is like not everybody is just willing to work with that 100% attitude to like to the work and stuff. But yeah, some days like you just have to get them to understand that you guys need to work for some time so that we can have like our good time too, and we can relax for the rest of the time.
Yeah, like sounds
So
about right. I get it. Like not everybody in ever like in a team, not everybody shares the same intent. So
yeah, exactly. And that is what I've understood, and I've just learned to be to be able to manage different kind of people in a team, and how they think. And yeah, so it's great to just know people, just to be around people, just to work in a team, manage time, and yeah, pretty much
okay.
that.
All right. Okay. So now, because you have like been working around the digital marketing and content area of creating, like it's basically been about Gen Z. So, what is your personal take on the Gen Z course itself? Like, how do you perceive it? How do you perceive something that like you've been working on the marketing of?
Yeah, so one of the reasons for me to like, like apply for the internship or to work for this kind of platform or to share my ideas. And when I was actually initially working on the social media tasks and later on the manager thing came up, I was initially very like, interested towards the course, and that basically led me to like actually work on the content creation part of it. So what the course is basically like, it is basically targeting all the 4 skills that you require. I personally know that there are a lot of areas that I might not have really achieved till now, like all the skills that are that are provided by the course. So I feel someone like who's at the maybe 11th 12th grader or maybe a college student, if that person in the early times like actually just get an idea of these skills, it will actually really help them, because I still know that maybe 2 or 3 I might be knowing, but all 4 definitely not. So
Okay.
yeah, so it's a great way to just make people aware of all the skills, and just to know that where they stand and what all they actually need to work on. And yeah.
All right, okay. Makes sense. So I would also like to know from you, because in Pinnacle we believe in passion more than anything. So what has been your passion or motivation behind all the work that you've been doing?
Okay, so like what I really like is being involved. So like initially, like since I was a kid, I really liked the fact that I wanted to be part of everything. I'm like too curious and a person who really wants to know what's happening around. And any opportunity that came up to me, and Pinnacle was like one of the first opportunities, and I was like, I think I should go for it, and something that really interested me. So I was like, okay, so I per se don't have a passion like as of like right now, but like or whatever I do, but like I just have this zeal to just keep going, and just to getting myself involved and be part of everything. And and when you just work, you get to know a lot of people, and you get that experience to just work together. So I am always in for that. I have been doing that all through my college life and in school too. So yeah, so pretty much that.
So basically, like you enjoy involvement in different things.
Yeah, a lot.
All right. So